Welcome to this concise guide on serialization and deserialization. This video is designed for students like you to quickly grasp these essential programming concepts. Have you ever wondered how data moves between different programs, or how information is saved and loaded? That's where serialization and deserialization come in. Think of serialization as taking a complex object in your program and converting it into a format that can be easily stored or transmitted. It's crucial for several reasons. Let's break down the core ideas behind these processes. Serialization transforms an object's state into a sequence of bytes. This byte stream can then be written to a file or sent across a network. Once serialized, the data is in a portable format. This allows you to store it in databases, files, or send it over the internet to another application. Let's look at some real-world applications where serialization is indispensable. When you save your progress in a video game, the game uses serialization to convert your character's stats, inventory, and position into a file that can be loaded later. Every time you send data over the internet, like submitting a form on a website, that data is serialized into a format that can be transmitted and then deserialized on the server side. Now let's flip the coin. What happens when you receive that serialized data? Deserialization is the reverse process, taking that byte stream and reconstructing the original object from it. This allows applications to read previously stored data or interpret data received from other systems, restoring it to a usable object format. Deserialization is just as important as serialization for many practical programming scenarios. It enables applications to save user preferences, settings, and documents, ensuring data isn't lost when the program closes. Different programs or components of a single program can communicate by serializing and deserializing data as they exchange information. Why are these concepts particularly important for you as a student of programming? Understanding serialization and deserialization simplifies how you approach storing complex data structures or sending them between different parts of your applications. They are fundamental building blocks for developing robust and scalable applications in modern software development. So let's quickly recap what we've learned. Serialization is converting objects to a storable or transmittable format, and deserialization is bringing them back to life as objects. Keep exploring these concepts through practical coding exercises and by looking into different serialization formats like JSON, XML, or protocol buffers. Subscribe, DEZ Learn for Autobytes. Happy coding!